Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Walt Ribeiro and I'm Vultr's developer advocate. I'm going to show you how to start a website using two different ways here on Vultr. So the first way is Vultr Marketplace, and that is at vultr.com/marketplace. Let's go into Explore Marketplace. And over here, I'll say a really easy way of starting a website. Let's say I just wanted to start something simple like a WordPress site. I click on one button, deploy. Let's say I want to do something simple like using an AMD CPU. I'll choose New York because I'm just outside of Manhattan, and WordPress is already chosen for me. I'll do a $6 server, and I'll deploy now. We have other options, like we can do auto backups and other things, and so I'll choose that. It comes down to $7.20, deploy now, and just like that, we now have a WordPress instance just in a few clicks, so I can start my website there. We also have another great feature at Vultr where we can do object storage. So add object storage, I'll just do add object storage, $5 per month, New Jersey, that's great. I'll do add, and just like that, we now have object storage. So once this is done provisioning, I can take something simple like my HTML page here, and this one just says my first Vultr website. And once this is done provisioning, just like that, in a couple seconds, I'll go into my object storage. So now once this is done provisioning, I can actually just go into here. I can find out all of the info that I need to do an FTP upload. And then just like that, I'm able to start a website here on Vultr. So Vultr is great for starting a website either through the marketplace or through object storage, where if you want something more customized. But we have a lot of great products here at Vultr. I'll show you just a few of them. We have our marketplace, which has over 50 apps. So there's a lot here if you wanted to do a one-click solution to start a website here on Vultr rather than you having to build it from scratch. But we also have a lot of great new products. Like here, we have bare metal, we have optimized cloud compute, we have regular cloud compute, we have block storage, we have object storage, we have load balancers, we have our Kubernetes engine, which we call VKE for Vultr Kubernetes engine. So at Vultr, we have more than 20 locations. We're independent. We have a great Vultr Kubernetes engine. We have awesome partnerships, and we have a lot of the most popular operating systems. We have everything from Windows to CentOS to FreeBSD, Rocky Linux, and also if there's an operating system that you wanted at Vultr that maybe we don't have, then we allow for custom ISOs. So you can get started on anything that you wanted, and you can customize it as you want. So as I mentioned, we have more than 20 locations, and to get started, we're giving you $150 of free credit using GetNation150. So just use code GetNation150, and we'll give you $150 to try out Vultr yourself. And if you have any questions for us, then you can contact us, support@vultr.com. If you needed to talk with partnerships, you can email partners@vultr.com. And for any general inquiries, just email info@vultr.com. So once again, thanks for checking us out. That's a little bit about what we do. And try code GetNation150 to give us a shot, and we'll be happy to help you build your product or service along the way. So have a great day, and thanks again for watching this. Bye.